Well guys, here I am with my 2012 Gas EC300. If you saw the video from me riding at West Point, Tennessee, well, I kind of had a little accident. I flipped the bike, broke the fender off. I actually do believe I do have a spare up in the attic of the garage here, but I want to just play around with the plastic welding and kind of have that on video. And if it holds, it holds. If not, no big deal, right? It's worth a try and worth showing you plastic welding. Now, the plate is pretty heavy and hanging back here, so I might tie in some type of support, don't know. First thing you want to do with plastic, though, you want to look and see if it has a number like that. PA6 plus 30% fiber. So, what is that? Well, with the polyurethane kit, all you do is have to come over to the box that it comes in, and you look it up. And then you go over here, you find PA6, and you see it's nylon, and it's going to be opaque white. So it's this one. I already took the tag off. So that's what it looks like. Yep, so once you know what material type, if you can, then that makes it a lot easier, because now I can just put in the nylon cord, put nylon on. I'll probably also use the fiber flex. So what we'll do is just kind of, see, it kind of sizzles. That's nylon. To kind of clean up the rough spots. Yeah, it smells like burning hair. Maybe they put hair in it or something. Oh, it's disgusting. You know, melting this nylon might actually work pretty good, because I did the side. It's never cracked again. So nylon might be a good material that actually bonds better. So here we go. But I'm not sure, so we'll find out. I think that nylon actually welds pretty freaking strong. So yeah, so I put in more nylon, and I'm going to take the fiber flex, which has fiber in it, but it's more pliable. I'm going to try bonding all that to add fiber to this nylon. There's not a smaller tip. Well, if there is, it would be hard to change now. If I could just put it in there like that. I think nylon's pretty strong with the fiber, because that's holding it up. It's actually surprised at how strong it is. So what I'm gonna do, my train of thought filled in, and just with what's here, and then add a bunch of stuff. For whatever reason, you know, these parts are never gonna line 100% back up. I mean, it's not that bad. So maybe repairing nylon with fiber is actually not that bad of a thing. That might be the strongest bond I've had so far with the plastic welding. Yeah, technically these come off to completely attach that rear fender. I'll have to see what I can do there. There's a light piece. Forgot about that. But you know what? It stayed down pretty well. It can be somewhat loose. I don't think it'd make a big deal, but I'll see if I can at least attach one of those. So these are the tabs I'm talking about. They just have these metal clips that go in. And that one doesn't look too bad. Might not work. But we'll give it a try, see what happens. That actually might, I'm putting a lot of pressure on that. That might stay on. Oh, there's a crack up here too. Just noticed that. I was just taking simple green, a rag. Do what I can. I did not notice that was cracked. I use the edge to make like a V shape. That way it gets hot in the center, cuts into it, and then you right away start rubbing it all together so it's bonding, so it's melting together. My theory is, well, the fiber flex is supposed to work with all materials, but adding it to the nylon is adding, because it has fiber in it, is adding fiber kind of back into the nylon. Thing is, you want to make sure underneath is hot enough that it's melting in and bonding with. It's hard work in these little tight spaces. This corner takes a lot of weight because when you pick up, you know, you're not picking up from the frame, subframe, you're picking up from the plastic. Looks pretty good. Not quite as smooth as those spots. Right. Let that cool off and see how it is. So this is PP, which is polypropylene. Make sure I turn the heat to that setting. Polypropylene, you have to turn the setting down. It's a little less heat. Give that a second to cool down the tip. But that looks like it's going to match up nice. I like that one. This one, might just happen to somewhat work. But it kind of matches up. I'm just gonna like bond around that really well. That seems like it's in there fairly good. I can tell that that's pretty hot. So it did transfer heat, so that's good to know. Well, there we go, guys. I mean, it seems like that is pretty strong. I got this top piece on, which will kind of hold it down. Should this crack first, that will kind of hold it. I mean, first outings, I definitely want tools so I can bungee, so I can strap that to my camelback, and then, you know, just if I have to take something off more. So, yeah, 8mm I'll take with me and what have you, but, you know, this part will screw right back down there, and yeah, good to go. Not too bad, not too shabby. Hopefully that helped you guys out on some plastic welding and watching me do it, because I know a few people wanted to actually see it in progress or see it as I do it, you know. So there you go. Hopefully that helped somebody out. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one.